Wagwan people, CC here again with another set of advice. It's time some womanly advice. Because me realize you have some woman out there now. When them born, them get good vision and everything, and along the way, them develop Stevie Wonder side, so them go pick up some dirty man. Because to all some man who have man spinning around so like tie up and care, no must not see. You must are not seen for man have no do no son don't seem to have a problem with it. Good if you don't know your man, nobody can know him for you. You understand me? You say if you have a man and him keep and I tell him he's a private person, no one nobody know about the relationship. Good is a secret and ain't nobody keeping secrets no more. You understand me? Cause you best believe me, say there are 10 more over there. So when tell the same thing. You know, say this man a farmer cricket team, I use one of the batsman them. Good you open up here and realize. You understand me? You have to know no man, no make no man take no for no idiot. There are 365 days in the year. You understand me? Not even 1 hour out of one day him can't dedicate to you. In the pan every social media site, in the pan Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, Foursquare, you name it. Him there everywhere. And nobody can see no sign of your goodie. You know, see something wrong. Nobody now walk with them Louis Vuitton bag in a scandal bag. No man now walk with them Jordan shoes in a paper bag or crocus bag. Good. Nobody now hide nothing good we worth for everybody to see. So if him now show you good, you're not worth showing to the public. You understand me? No special day, no Valentine's Day, no Woman's Day, no nothing. You never put it, not even your birthday good because you never born. Good is a ghost, you never born. You understand me? No magnificent Monday, no terrific Tuesday, no woman crush Wednesday, no thank God it's Thursday, no fabulous Friday, no stay good Saturday, no specific Sunday, nothing. Eh? No sweetheart Sunday, nothing. Good you not worth it. What kind of money to have? And then some all on the walk and make nice like scandal back to no friend. When no friend can't do nothing about it, if you stop attack the person, which is no friend, and go attack the problem, which is no man. Because ain't nothing your friend can do fear where where your man can do. Some don't need to understand on yourself. It's like when I dopey. Cause this man not carry to the I want a Dracula. If you go to the light, so I go burn up and I go catch a fire. What the problem? Make every time when I go to some night events, if my care about in a middle night, when Carib soon lock. If you go to a party, you need to put the corner like one of the main posts that will hold up the building. You understand me? You not carry out for nobody soon. You not understand? You know where showing off? Me know me want show off. Me don't know about you. Me have to bury self show it off and I show me want get show off because I know me look good and I know I'm supposed to show off but I don't feel good on myself. I look good on myself. You know stop make man take and spin around like tire pan car because even the tire and the rim pan it car sometimes get wear out. I mean you know how someone have man a drug on the back of them for years. I don't know see if you have a problem. Go along down a J3 go beg a pass or something for go practice for Tokyo 2020 then cause look like you is a marathon runner in Jamaica. Don't have the marathon runner so we can do very well with one. You understand me? Someone who life just had like baby funeral. Don't have to wise up and make yourself happy. You understand me? Don't make man take on for idiot. Someone you know so stupid. You understand me? All man about go on phone card and maybe on phone case because the man they wanna have now no phone. You understand me? Because somebody don't have it. 9 out of 10 say they don't have it. You understand me? The nearest thing when get to phone is a phone case or a phone card because that don't work. And then on the contrary, you have some next one on full too. Like when the band phone when the phone mother gonna market because that take on the last dime. And I buy and I give boo hoo. Boo hoo. I know you're a boo. I fool no boo. You understand me? What man put on eyes and realize don't make man take on no idiot. If your man can't show you after the world good something is wrong. Is either you know worth it or him have more over there. You understand me? You know if you set standards for yourself as women man, you can't have man a do no so. Very self show it off. Make take a little show off. You understand me? You don't want to show off too. No tree not grown on no face. Nobody not plant can on no face. So me can't show off. You have to know. You know someone else so dirty can man and don't even understand on yourself and realize someone else in love. There goes the Stevie Wonder side this again. But good for no. A good for no if you go scrape off that off of the black off on the eye because you not clear the dance well. Someone also blind in a relationship you come like they ask them over came and struck with have blind span here so now nobody can't tell you nothing about the man because the man is Jesus. You understand me? He was the chosen. You can't stay there. You hear? You can't stay there and warm up phone because there's some bad disease and some bad something I got picking up. So it's alright. But who want to take my advice, take it. You understand me? No man, no for the man I can. Can no for them out there can. Anyway, see this I say take care, alright?